deinen Geburtstag. Oh ja. Kommt das Let's go, guys. Getting ready. Großartig.
Ja.
It is what it is. Scheint unscheinbar. Scheint unscheinbar aus. Is like gold.
Hi, folks. This is part 2 of the Portugal trip.
Wir sind in Lagos. Keinen Parkplatz gefunden. Fahren wir dafür.
We drove with our rented car to Lagos to celebrate Noah's birthday there. After looking for some time, we found this bar inside out and got ourselves some drinks. And playing some beer pong, dancing and just vibing. It was fun, the music was good, but then we went to other clubs to check out which one was our favorite, to then choose one for 0 o'clock at midnight to really celebrate the birthday of Noah, my brother. We then decided for this karaoke bar not too far, because Lagos is not that big, you have all the clubs like around the corner. We then had a song requested for Noah to sing later on.
Going home now.
After a lot of dancing, we decided to head back.
Leute, wie war die Lagos experience?
Yeah, same. It was an experience. It's kind of a time to reflect on the day.
Reflecting on the day in the
Yeah. In between my thoughts, you know? It was interesting.
I would say it was interesting. Interesting people. Definitely washed up here. Going in the pool now?
The morning of Noah's birthday, we went in the pool after yoga. We all together planned a brunch and got everything the day before ready without Noah noticing, so we could surprise him. So while he was reading and enjoying his birthday morning, we cut some fruits, made some pancakes, and
Making some croissants.
we just love brunching. Could do it every day, really. After the cooking and preparing everything on the table outside, we got this birthday sign and just wrote a card for him. So let the brunch begin. Noah was very happy and surprised, and we all enjoyed our little brunch. Magdi also crafted this adorable card. Noah decided he wants to celebrate his birthday in Arrifana Beach, which is, by the way, my favorite surf beach in Portugal. I love Arrifana so much because it's where I learned surfing for the first time last year when we did a road trip. It can be crowded sometimes because it's so popular and a good spot with good waves, but it's worth it, and it's just a great, beautiful, cute, and just our vibe. It's pretty laid back, has some cute cafes, really nice view. A lot of campers go there as well, and I mean, just look at it. I think it's just a great beach to get into surfing and try it for the first time with easy waves. Before heading down to the beach, we got ourselves some coffees. Very nice, cute vibe. Playing some cards, the card game Cambio as always. The coffee was really good and we just enjoyed sitting there in the sun and being there together. Even the walk down to the beach has its own little experience. I love the road and having this view of the beach when you walk down. Lily and Felix already went ahead and Felix got his drone to have some footage as you see here. Because Noah was hungry, we went to this cute other place right next to the beach with a beautiful view. We just enjoyed having the sunset and watching the surfers. Unfortunately, Noah wasn't able to surf that day because he recently had an operation. But we still had a great time, watched the sunset, it was amazing, very beautiful, had great conversations and just enjoyed being there for his birthday. Magdi told the waiter about his birthday. Then Noah called back mom and dad and they wished him a happy birthday. Afterwards we went down to the beach, met the others there, watched the sunset.
Ist euch kalt?
Ja.
Es ist so großartig. Ich habe keinen einzigen Pop-up geschafft, aber
Same.
ich habe es probiert, ja? Ich bin nicht aufgestanden.
Aber wie war's so? Es war urgeil. Es fehlt doch ein bisschen Wax, glaube ich.
Ja, ich bin sehr viel runtergerutscht und es hat das.
Ja.
Wow.
Das findest zwar nicht ich, aber ich verkaufe mich, als ob du sicher bist.
Ich will auch so.
Nicht erschrecken, starten jetzt.
It was a great day, Noah was very happy and we just all had fun. relaxing on the beach, we headed back. And that was part 2. Thank you!